Samsung is finally doing what Apple couldn't do. The next big explosive transformation for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is coming. And no, we're not talking about the design or the display. There will be improvements in those areas, but this is something way bigger. 2023 has been the biggest boom year when it comes to AI. From generating human-like conversations or art and music, even writing codes for developers, the AI is truly here to take things over. And well, Samsung has been investing all their tools, all the power they have to bring the next level AI tools for the Galaxy S24 series in the form of One UI 6.0. Yes, Samsung is developing some AI technology for the S24 series, likely implemented with the software, and it's gonna be similar to what Google has done, from generative text to art, music, and much more. We're bound to see the smartest Galaxy flagship phones ever made. Also, Samsung is doing what Apple couldn't do at the moment. Apparently, both brands are working on the stacked battery technology for their next big flagships, and well, the recent news shows that Apple is delaying the stacked battery for the iPhone 16 series, meaning Samsung could be the first brand to bring the stacked battery EV technology to the S24 series. With this, Samsung can place even bigger batteries in their flagship phones without taking more space than before, while getting better thermal efficiency and performance. While iPhone 15 series are getting big battery boosts, they are going to be thick because they're not going to be using the stacked battery tech. And as discussed before in the previous video, there's a big possibility that Samsung can finally bring 65-watt charging for the S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Plus. Lastly, Samsung is a bit more serious about Galaxy S23 FE than previous fan edition phones because we might actually see this phone getting released earlier than expected. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts about the AI boom now coming to the software skins directly. If Google can do this, then Samsung, as we know, they can definitely surpass Google with their implementation. One UI 6.0 powered by specific Samsung AI tools is gonna be very exciting. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.